Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Secretion. The secretion of the adrenal hormones, and this is by the different zones of the adrenal cortex and the adrenal medulla. So the first one being the adrenal cortex. So here there is a zona glomerulosa. So glomerulosa. So it contains the mineralocorticoids, aldosterone as well as a deoxycorticosterone. So it is known as MAD mnemonic. So mineralocorticoids, aldosterone and the deoxycorticosterone. Next we move on to the ZF. ZF stands for the glucocorticoids, cortisol and the corticosterone. So it contains the glucocorticoids and it also contains the cortisol and the corticosterone. Next we move on to the zona reticularis. Zona reticularis is androgens. Androgens, it has the DHA as well as the androsterone. Androstenedione. So we saw the glomerulosa, zona glomerulosa, the fasciculata contains glucocorticoids, cortisol and the corticosterone, and the zona reticularis, that is the DHA and the androstenedione. Now moving on to the adrenal medulla. Adrenal medulla, it contains the norepinephrine, NE, then epinephrine as well as the dopamine. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.